Welcome to the in front of me Poco M5s, and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Feed on this device. So now we can see that the Google Discover is activated, and if you want to turn it off, we should slide to the center and to the center our two fingers and then click on the right down corner the settings icon, then tap to more, and we can see here Google Discover switcher is activated now. If you want to turn it off, we should click on the switcher once again, and now when we'll swipe to the right side, we can see that the Google Feed successfully turned off. If you want to turn it on, once again slide these two fingers to the center, tap to the settings icon, click to more, and click to Google Discover switcher to activate it. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.